If you love the city of Florence and you love gardens, then the Villa Bardini is the place for you. 4 hectares, or about 8 acres of garden, occupying the slope of a hill on the south side of the Arno River and offering absolutely breathtaking views of the Renaissance city. The villa was originally built in the 17th century as a type of pleasure palace, but it takes its name from Stefano Bardini, the celebrated antique dealer who purchased it in 1913 and began to renovate the garden, essentially dividing it up into 3 areas: the original central Italian Baroque garden, and then next to it the 19th century Anglo-Chinese garden with many exotic plants, and then next to that the agricultural park, which has many various trees of both fruit and other varieties. The original entrance to the villa was climbing up this dramatic staircase that you see here, which actually is original and dates back to the 17th century, flanked on either side by these beautiful statues and vases. Or if you were visiting Mr. Bardini by horse and carriage, then you would make your way up this dirt road that meanders through all of the greenery and eventually makes its way up to the villa. And the best time to visit the Villa Bardini is in spring or summer, when the flowers are in bloom and when you can enjoy the dramatic Camellia Garden, or the Path of the Wisteria, which is this very long pergola covered with beautiful wisteria flowers. A 19th century guide of Florence described the Villa Bardini as a garden offering a unique view of Florence, occupying a hill bounded by the city's medieval walls. And the amazing thing is that 200 years later, the same can still be said of the Villa Bardini. So if you're in Florence, be sure to visit the Villa Bardini. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy in these beautiful gardens and publishing weekly.